Afternoon YouTube, it's Joe. Today is Wednesday, March 31st, 2021. In this video we're going to go through here and backpack off the steps, get any debris off the floor. So here we go. Good afternoon, my name is Joe with Clean and Thankful Cleaning Services LLC, servicing Southern Indiana and Louisville, Kentucky. If you're in need of a janitorial service, light residential cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, carpet cleaning, window cleaning, give us a call at 502-403-3526. In this video here, I'm just taking the backpack vacuum and going over the steps, getting any debris off of them. So that's what I'm doing. You can also reach us at our email address at cleanandthankful@gmail.com. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you have a great day.